Hi everyone, so welcome back to the channel, and today we are diving headfirst into the second part of our thrilling Jetour X70 Sport, and it's time to shift our focus to its exterior. If you have missed out on the first part, click the link here, and trust me, you won't want to miss a single detail about the Jetour X70 Sport's stunning interior. We are about to uncover the exterior, and I'll give you a glance around.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight.
Let's get started. So here at the front we have here our headlight, or our front position light, and high or low beam light. We have our DRL, or our daytime running lights, our front camera, front sensors. We have an amazing grille design up front. This is how it looks like with the LED headlights turned on, and our DRL, or daytime running lights, turned on. This side is for the front eyelet hole. On the side, we have our impressive 20-inch alloy wheels, our side mirror, courtesy lights, and left camera. We have those premium chrome touches, gorgeous curves, and character that will catch your eye. At the back side, you have a small window area that adds to the sporty appearance of the vehicle. At the back exterior design of Sport variant, it includes key elements such as distinct taillights, design accents on the rear bumper, integrated exhaust outlets. At the top, we have our high-mounted stoplight and our rear wiper. At the back, a badge placement featuring the model name and logo of Jetour. For the towing features, we have our rear towing eyelet hole, and I have shown you the front one earlier. 3 reverse sensors and camera at the back. On the side, it's a fake exhaust plastic that adds design to the car. Here's our fuel filler cup with a fuel tank capacity of 55 liters. Here's the stunning feature of Sport variant, which is the panoramic sunroof and roof rails. Continuously with our chrome accents and chrome door handles. Our right side mirror and camera. So for the overall exterior design of Jetour X70 Sport, it's kind of blend of modern aesthetics and confident dynamics. Its bold grille and harmonized headlight attention from the front, while meticulously sculpted body panels and fluid lines convey a sense of motion along the sides. So design-wise, it's a yes for me. Moving on, so let's check the power tailgate. You have two buttons to close the back, here, and then this button. I have a QCY camera and the built-in camera. With this, you can open it from the inside. You have sensored lights there.
What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing
So on the third row seats, we have this strap to release the seat back, and then you can pull it again to return the seat. You can put your stuff there, and on the left you have your two cup holders. I'm going to close it again and show you the power back door. So
dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to
So for example, there are many items in both hands, and so kick one or two times below the rear bumper by foot and the back door will pop up automatically. So let's try it again, because sometimes it's not detecting my foot. And there you go, your power back door for your convenience. So for the sunroof, this is how it looks like outside when you're trying to open it.
fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you.
So now let's have an overview on our engine compartment.
But we'll see it through.
So let's go ahead and open the hood.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight.
So here we have our engine compartment fuse and relay box. The next is our battery, brake fluid reservoir, air filter case body, turbocharged 1.5 liter engine paired with a 6-speed dual clutch transmission, engine oil dipstick, engine coolant reservoir. Our washer fluid reservoir, brake fluid, and I think that's all for the overview under the hood. So in summary, the Jetour X70 Sport lies an engineering masterpiece, a high performance engine that combines power, efficiency, and innovation to elevate your driving experience to new heights. Let's talk about the remote key of the X70 Sport variant, and I'll be walking you through all the features that I'm aware of at the moment. So I think the default color of the smart key is black, and you can find three buttons here: unlock button, finder button, and lock button. And we also have our mechanical key. Wait, let me just open it. There is a small switch on the back side of the key. And there you go, let's try it later. I'm going to put it back.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight.
The first feature I'm going to show you is let's say your windows is open and your panoramic sunroof is open, and you want to close everything. You can just press the lock button once and then it will close all the windows, including the panoramic sunroof. And then you can also unlock all windows using the unlock button. Just press and hold for 2 seconds and close all the windows by pressing the lock button once. Next, let's try to unlock the vehicle with a mechanical key. Insert the key to the lock cylinder and turn to the right to unlock the vehicle. But I tried this earlier and the alarm was too loud, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to give it another shot. I panicked for a sec there. Next is for another convenience of door unlocking. Using the smart key entry, just approach the vehicle within 2.5 meters and you can unlock the car. If you move farther away, it will automatically lock the car along with the side mirrors.
What's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Next is we will activate the maintenance mode for our wipers, which is crucial when cleaning them, as improper cleaning can potentially damage the paint. To begin, turn off the engine
Be sure to keep the ground in sight.
and toggle this up for a few seconds to spread the wipers.
Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
There we go, we've toggled the wipers. And now the wipers and windshield are ready to be cleaned. It's not like the traditional wipers that you can easily pull outside and clean, just like our Toyota Innova right here, that you can just raise these wipers and clean it. I've been using this manual car for 5 years or so, and I'm really used with manual transmission, and first time owning an automatic. So let's put it back and I need to go inside again and start the engine to restore the position of the wipers. There you go.
Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
And that's it. Overall, it's an amazing car, and I've been driving this car for nearly 3 months now. I had it break in Baguio, and so far there have been no issues, and I hope it continues to run smoothly in the years to come. And if you're considering buying this car, I don't see any reason why not to. It offers great value for the price, especially for a 7-seater, making it the best value at this price point. And also, the technology and engine performance are impressive. That's all I can share for now. I'll stay tuned for further updates whenever life allows. This part 2 content has been sleeping on my computer for a month now, and it's been quite busy lately. So I'll definitely create more worthwhile content when I have the opportunity. And thank you guys for watching.